welcome back to the channel. Today is a big day, guys. If you missed the last video, we did tuning. We did full tuning on the 2019 Ram Rebel. And this, I mean, we're gonna have a few videos on the Rebel because today we're installing a 4-inch BDS lift on our 2019 Ram Rebel with Fox Shop. What's the benefits of going with this type of lift kit versus a spacer lift with new upper control arms?
Well, as you can see, we do have a lot of parts that have to go on here compared to a spacer lift, which you just throw in there pretty much. But with all these parts, we're actually going to be correcting the geometry. We're going to be fixing where everything should be, the angles and appropriate axle shaft levels compared to where a spacer. If you throw a spacer in there, you could have an axle shaft that's like this, where it should be almost as level as it can be. And you could have axle shaft failures. It's not going to ride right. It's going to be really rough on the road, and you won't really have much off-road capability with it because your suspension's already maxed out at its articulation points compared to this. We're going to add a lot of articulation instead of just spacers where you really won't have that much.
Doing it right so this truck is still going to be off-road capable. Some of those kits out there, you'll actually see that it says do not take off-road.
And it'll be in the fine print too. It won't be in big letters, it'll be in fine print, so you won't know until you're off-road.
And yeah, why would you want to lift the truck if you can't take it off-road, right?
Looks.
Yeah, so, and they actually had an incident where a customer had a leveling kit, right?
It was a Toyota with 6 inches. It had a 6-inch lift on it plus a leveling kit on it already, which was about a total of 9 inches, and it blew apart 4 different axle shafts on one side. So we actually had to take out a lot of the lift and put new shafts in it, and we even had to change the shock in it because the shock wasn't long enough. So it would actually kind of
restrict it. Yeah, restrict
it. It would
it.
get stuck and it would just blow it completely apart.
If you're just gonna level and go to 33s, I don't really see a big deal about that, but we're going to 35s, guys. And another thing with the 2019 Ram Rebel, this truck is equipped with 392 gears, so we're good there. We can actually probably go to 37s and have no issue. But this is the wife's daily, this is the family truck, this is the family vehicle, the Beast Fleet, so we wanted to make it somewhat practical, so we're doing a 4-inch BDS lift with 35-inch, well, I'll tell you the tires, maybe this video, you'll have to keep watching, and the wheels. All right, I'll give them a hint. They're 20-inch wheels. They're a good color, too. You guys are gonna like it. You're gonna like it. I think you're gonna like it. It's new for 2020. Let's get to it. What do you think, Trey? Should we do an unboxing here? Should we just unbox every box and do 20 minutes of unboxing, or should we just make it really quick?
I think we should make it really quick.
Okay, we're gonna make it really quick, guys. Watch this magic. There it is. It's all unboxed, but it's still in the boxes, guys. Tracy's gonna go over a majority of the components that come with this kit.
We have our front shock spacers, and in this box we have our drop knuckles.
And they are massive, guys. Here's the other one here. Okay.
In this box we have our rear springs.
We'll do a comparison of the springs.
This is our control arm, drop bracket, and our diff skid plate. This is the other half. There's 2 parts. This is the other half of our control arm drop, and these are extra parts. Well, not extra, but more parts that are unopened.
But more parts that are unopened? All right. Yeah, there's a ton of hardware here, guys. We'll let you know if we run into any hiccups or anything, any tips that we could possibly give you, as per the usual with the JP shop. And we're gonna get the cracking on this. You ready?
Cracking.
Crack-a-lacking. All right, we found one more box.
My nose here, but this is our rear box. So everything that we need for the rear of the vehicle is right here. And if you pan over it, this is all BDS packing material. They actually recycle some of their boxes that they get back.
Oh yeah, giving back to the environment. I like it. And they do a very good job packing their stuff. All right, guys, let's go over everything that we installed because, well,
It's the next morning.
it's the next morning, so we're gonna close the video out. But before we close the video out, we're gonna go over everything that we installed.
We did our drop brackets with our steel braided cables, and then we did our diff drop brackets. There's a bracket here, there's another bracket here. Once we did those, we then installed our LCA drop brackets, the front one and the rear one that's back here. We also did some cutting of the factory frame so we could fit the diff in there. So this is an easy one to see. Cut this one out. This has been cut out so it fits. And then the last thing that we installed yesterday was our differential skid plate. But a few things that we did do that are not on the vehicle at the moment.
The tie rod end too.
Yes, and
Tie rod ends.
Tie rod ends. We have our strut spacer, and we have our knuckles assembled, so we can just throw them on.
Joey did that. He's so proud.
Yes, sir. 2-timer.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're stopped by for the first time, make sure you smash, tap, do something to that subscribe button. Make sure you go to the JP shop. Yeah, the bell icon. Make sure you go to jpshop.net. Make sure you hit the JP shop up over the phone if you want a BDS suspension kit, lift kit, or if you want them to do it. They can take care of you. We love you guys. We'll see you on the next upload. Just got Gabe doing car things. Don't worry, nothing to see here. Tracy's gonna go over all the components that come with this kit. Tracy, hold on.
Majority of
Hold on,
them.
hold on. Tracy's gonna go over a majority of the components that come with this kit. What we
These
got
are our, what are they, McPherson?
here? They're spacers.
These are our strut spacers for the front.
Hold on, start over. Go ahead.
But they're called McPherson's though. Alright, so in this box,
Show them what the stuff is first.
I know what this is. I opened the instructions up, so I looked. This is what the pumpkin, the diff bolts
Diff
to.
drop. Diff drop bracket.
That's how you lower the differential and the control arm.
Do we have a name for
It's
it?
the control arm.
Diff
Drop brackets.
control arm
And,
drop
this is
bracket.
the,
Okay, here, Keith, go ahead. All right. Control arm
This
drop
is-
brackets and diff skid guard.
Yes.
Hold on, you gotta say.
It's stronger and less noisy, and why is it?
That is not true. My Blue Point 1 is not as strong as my electric one. Huh? My Blue Point 1 is not as strong as my electric one.
My old tools are more powerful than anything you got. And they're old as dirt, just like me, they're 50.
You seriously don't remember what it's like getting yelled at by me? that was not yelling.
You don't want to bring that back, do you?
That's not bringing sexy back.
I'd rather go to jail.
Yeah, I told him about that.
Is that what you told your dad? You'd rather go to jail than be yelled at?
No.